Hi everybody, this is Dave with another RC video. Today we're going to swap out the servo in my Traxxas UDR. And the one I'm going with is the Reef RC Triple. It's got a lot more torque than what comes with the stock servo, so let's get started. Alright, I have not opened this up yet, so I'm looking forward to taking a peek at what's inside. Just make sure these look like they're 2mm. Pull these off. I didn't need to pull this one out. That button head can stay on there. Okay, so here's the stock servo. Okay, so see the servo horn here. Pull that off also. Surprisingly small servo for this big truck. Okay, so let's flip this back over and see where she comes out. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to take off some stuff in the front of the truck here to get to that servo wire. So pop this out and see what we got. So far everything's been 2mm. That's nice. There we go. So this little plastic piece looks like it's helps with the waterproofing. And now we gotta take off these two guys. And I'm going to have to pull out, should be channel 1. Looks like I'm going to have to pull the whole case out. Got it. Alright, let's flip it back over. Now, here's our servo. This should come right out. Woo! There we go. Now, undo this wire. That. Okay. Now those are 2.5 mil. So let's pop the new one out. So this is the new one. It's a Reef RC Triple 4, and like I said, high speed, high torque, and this should be really nice compared to this guy. Got a nice long wire. It's about a few inches shorter than the stock one, so I think it'll work fine. Now let's take the servo, and I'm just going to thread it through and plug it into the receiver so I can zero it out. Now, let's go ahead and plug it back in. Turn my radio on. Back over here, plug in the battery. Okay, the servo is zeroed now. So let's go ahead and put this on it. Feels good. Yeah, big difference. Okay, so what I have to do now is put a new piece of servo tape on this receiver. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to peel off this foam servo tape. And then just thread in everything back into this, tie all these down. So, servo tape or double-sided tape, definitely get the 3M stuff. This is, I think, 10,000 pound, not 10,000 pound, 10 pound. It's the extreme mounting tape, and this stuff is great. Comes off super easy. You don't have to get the glue gun and the razor blades when you want to remove it. Comes right off, so definitely use this instead of that foam stuff. Things are going good. Okay, now all I gotta do is get this cover back on and screw it down, and should be good to go. Feels like it centers a lot better than the other one, and it also feels a little faster, so that's pretty good.